To determine if you have a P and H or narrow P and H arm, insert a penny into the hook part of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a P and H arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow P and H arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X PrecisionClear wiper blade on a P and H arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter from the wiper blade. Rotate the adapter before grasping the blade firmly and prying the adapter away. Locate the adapter labeled F within the packaging. To install, align the F adapter so that the arrow on the top is pointing in the same direction as the arrow on the base. Place the F adapter on top of the base connector and press down until it locks into place with a click. This may take additional effort to push into place. You're now ready to install the wiper blade. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is up or in the service position. You may need to consult the owner's manual for your vehicle for instructions. Locate the hole on the side of the adapter. Next, turn the wiper blade perpendicular to the wiper arm. Insert the pin into the hole, pushing all the way through. Rotate the wiper blade down until it locks into place. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Installation is complete. You're now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X PrecisionClear wiper blades.